Hello guys, basahin lang natin ito. Panoorin, Bugos City Mayor Mayel Martinez ipinagpasalamat ang maayos na interagency collaboration na nagresulta sa mabilis na pagtugon sa mga pangangailangan ng mga biktima ng 6.9 magnitude na lindol na tumama sa Cebu. Yan po mga kaibigan. So, tingnan po natin kung ano ang sinasabi niya dito.
Yes, they've been really excellent. I must say that the different departments under the Office of the President have been really, really very helpful. Even from the time when we had the earthquake, parang wala pa yata isang oras, no? All of the secretaries were already calling us. And some of the secretaries, they've been calling at 6 in the morning, some at 9 in the evening, kahit 10 o'clock. Pag tinext mo yung mga secretaries, they will really reply to you. And they're very, very helpful. I must say, I've never experienced this in government before. Parang ang bilis nila, tsaka ang galing ng mga secretaries.